Moment of truth, kind of. This bike has been having starting troubles. Battery is new in the sense it must be a year old, but if I park it for like 7-8 days or 3-4 days and then try to start it, it won't start. This is what happens. So the starter also will give up. See, ECU CAN communication failure, side stand down, but the side stand is up. Gear will not show anything. Shut it down again, turn it on again, let everything settle down, purposely press the clutch, then give the starter. See, I've pressed the starter but it goes dead. Now I'll have to do this n number of times. This is what happens. Dhakka start also does not help in this situation. If I keep the key on, battery drains out pretty fast and then it will not start at all. I'm sure the battery is draining, because if it is fresh like second day or third day, if I parked it and I try to start it second day morning or third day morning, it starts immediately. But if I keep it for prolonged period, like more than 4-5 days, then it's an issue. Checking the starter also, I mean the side stand sensor. See, the whole thing goes dead, that means battery is low. Came to keep the helmet here, removed the phone to show it to Sushant, and bike started. Now it's working fine. I think I'll get the center this thing checked again, the speedo, whether the wires have issue. Second, side stand needs to be checked, but again, side stand, it should not be an issue till the time it is not in gear. It should start anyhow, because being in side stand, it's not that our bikes don't start. Anyways, warming it up for now, and we'll take it to Sushant soon for inspection and see what's happening. Throttle body is having an issue, or the accelerator is having an issue, because when I'm accelerating, it doesn't leave the accelerator immediately. It is there for a 3 to 4 millisecond or so, or half a second or so maybe. Because I can feel that in shifting. Maybe it is not warmed up properly. That could be another issue. This video is going to be super lengthy, I guess, because I'm not sure how and when we are going to find the solution. So I'm going to try and put up all the things that I try as a solution for this. Wow, the road is start. I didn't realize that. Blessing for us. Otherwise, the metro construction management has been a super hell. They stop a road some day, they put a diversion another day, they stop U-turns one day, and hell lot of things are happening this side. Just 12-13 kilometers, RPM drops perfectly right now. See, it settles down very fast. So not a throttle body issue. Maybe the TPS sensor has some dust or something, maybe, or maybe the temperature sensor. Started directly right now in one go. फिर भी एसके लेके जा रहा हूँ वहाँ पे चेक कर लूँगा एक बार। सो आई हैव रीच्ड एसके। यहाँ पे मल्टीमीटर पे अपन चेक कर रहे हैं कि बैटरी चार्ज हो रही है कि नहीं, मतलब पावर सप्लाई आ रहा है कि नहीं, उसको रेक्टिफायर प्रॉपर चार्ज दे रहा है कि नहीं। अगर वो नहीं रहेगा तो वो रिप्लेस करा देंगे। बाकी बैटरी तो नहीं है। हाँ ओके है ना। अभी बोल्ट भी फिर से लूज़ थे तो ही टाइटन दी बोल्ट्स। एक बार उसने टी हाथ में था तो ये बोल्ट लूज़ था फिर से, तो ये टाइट कर दिया। तो व्हाट आई डू इज़ ये बोल्ट्स भी एक बार रिप्लेस कर देंगे। नए घर पे पड़े हैं वो डाल देंगे। मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ। हिमालयन केम इन लाइक 5 days ago, and since 5 days this has not been started. Let's see if it works or doesn't start. If it is with someone else, it doesn't start usually. Yo bro, there's no issue. इतना एसके पे चक्कर बिक्कर मारा, ये वो ये, but there's absolutely no issue. I think just the battery bolts were loose and nothing else. Because last एसके पे उसने वही किया, आसिफ था या सुमित था, ही टाइटन दी पॉजिटिव साइड का बोल्ट अ लिटिल मोर। मैंने किया था लेकिन शायद कम किया था। सो लेट्स राइड इट एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू एंड द व्लॉग हियर इटसेल्फ, अनलेस कि मेरे को अपलोड करने के पहले कुछ मिलता है तो देन आई लेट यू नो।
I didn't wanna see you when you came home.